Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download mikrotik ISO for virtualization in Hyper-V. So go to the Google Chrome, then search for mikrotik. So then go to this site. Now you will see this interface of mikrotik website, but we will go to the software option. So now you need to find for x86 ISO. So I will download this one. You can see CD image. This, by clicking on it, it is already started downloading. So you can see it's already downloading. So you can download ISO file for your virtual machine if you want to make. But and you need to download also a Winbox 64-bit. If your operating system is 64-bit, you have to download 64-bit application for Winbox. So by clicking on it, you can